How to watch the Premier League soccer match between Man City and Liverpool live online from anywhere. After a long international break, the English Premier League is back in action with some exciting games. In this video, we're going to show you how to watch the Man City vs. Liverpool game live online from anywhere in the world. The match between Man City and Liverpool is a highly anticipated one, with both teams looking to secure a win. The hosts, Manchester City, are looking to close the gap on the league leaders Arsenal, while Liverpool is trying to keep their hopes of finishing in the top four alive. The added incentive is derailing City's title challenge. City star striker Erling Haaland is a doubt for the match, but that doesn't mean we can expect anything less than an exciting match between these two top-flight teams. Liverpool may have a poor record at the Etihad, but they will draw encouragement from their 1-0 win in the reverse fixture at Anfield back in October. Here's how you can watch the Man City vs. Liverpool game live online from anywhere in the world. The easiest way to watch the game is by using a VPN. A VPN is a virtual private network that allows you to change your location and access geo-restricted content from anywhere in the world. Using a VPN is also the best way to stop your internet service provider from throttling your speeds on game day by encrypting your traffic. Our recommended VPN for streaming sports is ExpressVPN. It's fast, reliable, and easy to use on a variety of devices. You can get 49% off plus 3 months of access for free by signing up for an annual subscription. Once you've set up your VPN, here's how you can watch the game live. If you're in the United States, you can watch the game live on Peacock. You'll need a Peacock Premium or Premium Plus account to catch the game live. You can sign up for Peacock Premium at a 60% discount for a limited time, dropping the monthly cost to as low as $2, or even less if you pay for a year upfront. In the United Kingdom, BT Sport holds the exclusive rights to the Man City vs. Liverpool game. You can obtain BT Sport either directly through BT as part of one of its many TV bundles or added to Sky and Virgin packages if they're your provider. You can also sign up to a 30-day, contract-free BT Sport monthly pass to watch the game. If you're in Canada, you can watch the game live on Fubo TV Canada from CA $25 per month. And if you're in Australia, you can watch the game live on Optus Sport from $7 per month. That's how you can watch the Man City vs. Liverpool game live online from anywhere in the world. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for watching.